This is your homework helper, Mrs. Anderson. Today I will help you with Lesson 10, Divide Whole Numbers by Unit Fractions. Please have your homework page ready and let's begin. Let's look at this homework helper section at the top. The recipe Melinda is using to make fruit punch is for 1 serving. It calls for 1/2 cup of pineapple juice. Melinda has 5 cups of pineapple juice. How many servings can Melinda make? This model represents 5 cups of juice. Okay, here's the 5 cups of juice. So I'm going to write that down as 5. And she is going to divide each of those into half for a serving. Okay, so since each serving uses 1/2 cup of pineapple juice, we want to know how many 1/2 cups are in 5 cups. Okay, so here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are the 5 cups of juice. And then when we cut that in half, we have a 1/2 cup of pineapple juice there. Okay, so we count how many pieces there are in all. So 5 divided by 1/2 equals 10. All right, let's do another one right here. If we have the whole number of 4 and we divide by 1/5, let's see what we'll have. Here I have 4 wholes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to take each of those wholes and divide them into fifths. So, okay, there, that one's divided into fifths, that one is divided into fifths, and that one is divided into fifths. Now I have to count how many there are altogether, or I can multiply my 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20, which tells me that there are 20 pieces. Now to check division, I basically just do multiplication. So I'm going to put the 20 here and do 20 times 1/5. 20 times 1/5 is 20 fifths, or the same as 4, and that's the number that we started with. All right, you're going to go ahead and do this one on your own, and let's look at the back. Number 3, Chef Aaron has 4 pizzas that need to be cut into slices. Each slice represents 1/6 of a pizza. How many slices of pizza can she serve? So basically, there's 4 pieces of pizza, 4 pizzas, excuse me, and each pizza is cut into 6 slices. So I'm going to cut each pizza into thirds first, and then cut those pieces again into 6. All right, now I want to know how many slices of pizza can she serve, or how many pieces of pizzas are there altogether. Okay, you're going to do the next one. A baker cuts 3 cakes into pieces. Each piece represents 1/8 of a cake. What's the total number of pieces? So basically you take your cakes, 3 cakes, and you divide each cake into 8 pieces, into 8s. Oops. And then count how many the total would be in 3 cakes. Okay, and look at this one. Circle the model below that represents 2 divided by 1/3. Well, it looks like this is 2s. This is, each of them represent 2. Oh, this one doesn't. Now you need to find the one that is divided into thirds and find the correct one. And then go ahead and do your test practice. Karen uses 5 pounds of hamburger to grill hamburgers. Each pound is divided into thirds. To make each hamburger, how many hamburgers can Karen serve? Find the unknown. 5 divided by 1/3 is. So you can draw a model and take 5 pounds of hamburger and divide it into thirds and figure out how many hamburgers that will make. Hey, thanks for watching this homework helper video. If you have questions, feel free to ask me tomorrow at school.